Upwork is a marketplace for freelancers in fields like writing, graphic design, and web development. The site helps professionals communicate with clients and get paid. If you're a new freelancer or working in a new field, rack up valuable experience without always having to pitch clients cold. But the site is full of new workers who are willing to take work for a lower rate, which can impact your earning potential. Overall, Upwork make it easier to find jobs and make more money. But think carefully about which gigs you want to apply for and check out our guide to managing money as a freelancer for advice on how to handle your newfound income once it starts rolling in. And now, how to make money on Upwork. First one, set up a robust and honest profile. Your profile serves the same purpose as a general resume for prospective employers. You can't get work without one. And fill out the job type you'd like to do, the specific areas in which you're skilled, and your level of expertise. This is all self-reported, so be honest. If you get hired for jobs you can't deliver on, your account could be put on hold or closed. Okay, after that, add a headshot and detailed description of your background. You can include links to portfolio or to specific work samples. And you can also fill in your education, how many hours per week you can work, location, and preferred rate. If you're not sure what to charge, check out the rates of other freelancers on Upwork who have similar experience. And Upwork will typically approve your profile within 24 hours, assuming your profile verifiable and accurate. Then you can get working. 2. Choose a membership plan. Upwork offers 2 membership plans for freelancer. 1. Basic. 2. Plus. Okay, what's the meaning basic? This plan is free, but you'll buy to connect with potential clients. Freelancers on the basic plan buy 15 cents for each connect. The platform's internal tokens, which are used to submit proposals to clients, and you can roll over up 140 connect each month. And if someone reaches out to you, you don't have to use any connectors. The more robust your profile looks, the more likely you are to receive job offers from potential clients. Displaying your best work or highlighting specific experience can help you stand out. If you're new to your field, volunteer experience counts too. And the basic plan also includes payment protection for hourly and project-based payments. And now plus. What's the meaning plus? This plan is $14.99 per month and includes everything in the basic plan, as well as number 1, 17 connectors per month. Number 2, visibility into what price competitors have bid for a job. Number 3, option to keep earning confidential. Number 4, ability to customize your profile URL. Number 5, profile never hidden due to inactivity. Okay, now connect with legitimate employer. Use your connect to submit proposals for jobs in your wheelhouse, and proposals should include introductory letter and your desired fee and answer to questions the client included in the posting. You can also send example of any work you think will be relevant, and before applying for a gig, get an idea of the potential employer reputation, the Better Business Bureau, and Glassdoor, and search for news coverage of the employer on Google are good places to start your research. Okay, now I want to talk about something. So, Upwork's rating system help you decide who you really want to work within. Let's order, see if they... Okay, now I want to say how get paid. Upwork freelancer can get secured payments via PayPal, direct deposit, or wire transfer. So all of your hourly projects are pilot weekly. You'll get paid after you and that. And all of your hourly projects are pilot weekly. You'll get paid after you and the client review the work, 10 days after the billing period ends. If a project gets dropped before it's finished, that's when hourly protection and milestone come in handy. If you think you are not compensated, Upwork has dispute process and fixed price. Projects start buying out as you hit aggregate open milestones. You can begin dispute if the client fails to buy for a milestone or refuses to buy for what you think is completed work. Okay, now reach the end of the video. Don't forget subscribe to my channel.